Yo, what's up everyone, it's Prabjot back again with another video. So, I recently dove headfirst into this AI Essentials course by Google. It took a solid week to complete, putting in a couple of hours each day, and let me tell you, it was a wild ride. But the real question is, was it worth the, thankfully free investment? In this video, we're gonna break down the 5 biggest takeaways from the course, talk about the pros and cons, and most importantly, figure out if this certificate is actually gonna help you get, paid more. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get right into it. Alright, so first things first, let's talk about AI tools. The world of artificial intelligence is vast and ever-evolving, and it's not just about one tool or one application. There are countless AI tools out there, each designed to perform specific tasks and solve unique problems. Now, you've probably heard of ChatGPT by now, maybe even played around with it a bit. It's pretty mind-blowing, right? The way it can generate human-like text responses is nothing short of revolutionary. But what this course taught me is that ChatGPT is just the tip of the iceberg. There is so much more beneath the surface that we often overlook. It's like the iPhone of AI tools, super popular, super user-friendly, but just one part of a much bigger ecosystem. Just as the iPhone revolutionized the smartphone industry, ChatGPT has made a significant impact in the AI world. The course breaks down AI tools into 3 main categories: standalone, integrated, and custom solutions. Each category serves different needs and offers unique capabilities. Standalone tools are like your independent apps. Think ChatGPT for having weirdly human-like conversations, Midjourney for creating incredible art which can be used by artists and designers to bring their visions to life in ways they never thought possible, or even something like Grammarly for, grammar stuff. It helps you write better by correcting your grammar and suggesting improvements. Then you've got your integrated AI tools. These are more like features within existing platforms. These tools enhance the functionality of the platforms they are integrated into, making them more powerful and efficient. A great example is Google Docs. It's got all these AI-powered features baked right in, like Smart Compose for suggesting words and phrases, which can save you a lot of time and effort when writing, or the Explore tool for doing quick research without even leaving the document. Super handy. Imagine being able to pull in relevant information and sources without having to switch tabs or applications. Finally, you've got your custom AI solutions. These are tailored to meet specific needs and can be highly specialized. This is where things get really interesting but also way more complex. Custom solutions require a deep understanding of both the problem at hand and the AI technologies available. It's basically building your own AI tools from scratch to solve specific problems. This could involve anything from developing a new algorithm to creating a completely new application. Think of it like instead of using a pre-built house, you're hiring an architect and contractors to design and build your dream home from the ground up. The possibilities are endless, but it requires a lot of expertise and resources. So while ChatGPT is an amazing tool, it's just one piece of the puzzle. The world of AI is rich with diverse tools and applications, each contributing to the incredible advancements we're seeing today. Whether you're using standalone apps, integrated features, or custom solutions, the potential of AI is truly limitless. One of the biggest takeaways from this course was the importance of prompt engineering. Now, I know what you're thinking. Prompt engineering? Sounds complicated, but trust me, it's not as scary as it sounds. It's basically just about learning how to talk to AI in a way that gets you the best possible results. Think of it like this. Imagine you're at a restaurant with a friend who's vegetarian. If you just ask the waiter for the best dish on the menu, they might recommend something with meat, but if you give them more context, "My friend is vegetarian, what would you recommend?" you're much more likely to get a meal that everyone's happy with. The same principle applies when you're interacting with AI. The more context you can provide in your prompts, the better the AI will be able to understand what you're looking for and deliver the results you want. Chapter 3. Zero shot, one shot, few shot, it's not a shooting range. Okay, this next one sounds a little intimidating, but stick with me. We're diving into the fascinating world of AI prompting techniques. The course dives into something called zero-shot, one-shot, and few-shot prompting. These are not terms from a spy movie or a shooting range, but rather key concepts in the realm of artificial intelligence. Now, before you grab your bulletproof vest, let me explain. These terms are all about how much information you provide to the AI before asking it to perform a task. These terms basically refer to how much information you give the AI before asking it to complete a task. Think of it as the amount of guidance you provide to a student before they take a test. Zero-shot prompting is like going in cold. You give the AI no examples and just ask it to figure it out. It's like asking someone to solve a puzzle without showing them any pieces. It's like saying, "Hey AI, write me a killer pickup line." The AI has to come up with something from scratch without any prior examples to guide it. One-shot prompting is like giving the AI a little nudge in the right direction. You provide one example of what you're looking for, and the AI uses that as a reference. You provide one example of what you're looking for. This helps the AI understand the kind of response you expect. So you might say, "Hey AI, here's a pickup line. Are you from Tennessee? Because you're the only 10 I see." Now, the AI has a template to work from. Now write me another one. The AI will use the given example to generate a new similar pickup line. Few-shot prompting is like giving the AI a cheat sheet. You provide a few examples to show the AI exactly what you're after. This gives the AI a better understanding of the task. You provide a few examples to show the AI exactly what you're after. The more examples you provide, the clearer the AI's understanding becomes. You might say, "Hey AI, here are some pickup lines. Are you from Tennessee? Because you're the only 10 I see. I'm lost. Can you give me directions to your heart?" By providing multiple examples, the AI can better grasp the pattern and style you're aiming for. Now write me another one. With these examples, the AI can generate a more accurate and relevant response. The more examples you provide, the better the AI will understand the task. It's like giving a student more practice problems before a big exam, and the higher the chances of getting a pickup line that'll actually work, or at least make you chuckle. The AI learns from the examples and improves its responses, or at least make you chuckle. So whether you're using zero-shot, one-shot, or few-shot prompting, remember that it's all about guiding the AI to understand and perform the task better. Chapter 4. Chain of Thought Prompting, breaking it down for the AI brain. Alright, let's talk about chain of thought prompting. This one sounds super complex, but it's actually pretty intuitive. Basically, it's all about breaking down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. Think of it like writing a cover letter. You wouldn't just sit down and try to crank out the whole thing in one go, right? You'd probably start by brainstorming your skills and experience, then you'd research the company and the position, and then you'd start drafting the actual letter. Chain of thought prompting is similar. Instead of giving the AI a vague or open-ended prompt, you guide it through a series of logical steps. So instead of saying, "Write me a cover letter for a marketing position," you might say something like, 1. Here are my skills and experience. List of skills and experience. 2. Here's some information about the company and the position information. 3. Now write a cover letter that highlights my relevant skills and experience and explains why I'm a good fit for the company and the position. By breaking down the task into smaller steps, you're essentially showing the AI how to think through the problem and arrive at a more accurate and relevant solution. Chapter 5. AI Limitations. It's not all sunshine and rainbows. Now, for all the amazing things AI can do, it's important to remember that it's not perfect. While AI has the potential to revolutionize industries, streamline processes, and even make our lives easier, it also comes with its own set of challenges and limitations that we must be mindful of. The course does a good job of highlighting some of the limitations of AI, and honestly, it's important to be aware of these so you don't get fooled into thinking AI is some kind of magical solution to everything. Understanding these limitations can help us set realistic expectations and use AI more effectively. One of the biggest limitations is biased data. Bias in AI can manifest in various ways, from racial and gender biases to socioeconomic and cultural biases. These biases can lead to unfair or inaccurate outcomes, which can have serious consequences in real-world applications. AI models are trained on massive datasets, and if those datasets contain biases, the AI will inherit those biases. This means that the AI's decisions and predictions can be skewed, perpetuating existing inequalities and potentially causing harm. It's like teaching a kid to ride a bike on a hill. They might become a pro at going downhill but struggle when it comes to riding uphill. The AI might perform exceptionally well in certain scenarios but fail miserably in others due to the biases in its training data. Another limitation is insufficient information. AI systems rely heavily on the data they are fed, and if that data is incomplete or lacking in quality, the AI's performance will suffer. This can lead to inaccurate predictions, poor decision-making, and ultimately, a lack of trust in the AI system. AI models can only work with the information they're given, and if that information is incomplete or inaccurate, the AI's output will be flawed. This is particularly problematic in critical applications like healthcare, finance, and autonomous driving, where the stakes are incredibly high. It's like trying to bake a cake without all the ingredients. You might end up with something that looks like a cake, but definitely doesn't taste like one. The missing or poor quality data can lead to an AI system that appears functional on the surface but fails to deliver the desired results. Finally, AI can sometimes hallucinate, meaning it can generate outputs that are completely made up or nonsensical. This happens when the AI tries to fill in gaps in its knowledge or overgeneralizes from the data it has been trained on. It's like the AI is daydreaming and starts spitting out random words and phrases that don't make any sense in context. These hallucinations can be confusing and misleading, making it difficult to trust the AI's output. Understanding these limitations is crucial for developing more robust and reliable AI systems. Overall, I'd say Google's AI Essentials course is a great starting point for anyone looking to learn more about artificial intelligence. Now, if you're already a total AI whiz, this course might be a little too basic for you. But for beginners or anyone who learns best visually, this course is a goldmine. You get to learn from Google's own AI experts. The visuals and graphics make everything super easy to understand. And there are even interactive elements that let you put what you're learning into practice. Plus, did I mention it's completely free? If you're interested in checking out a summary of the course, I'll drop a link in the description below. In the meantime though, as usual, have a great one.